Hi, I'm Aubrey with Equiparts, and today we're going to be talking about Delany's TruStop, one of the best products on the market today due to its unique bulb valve design, which allows you to fix your fixtures in your restrooms without turning off the water to your entire building. The secret game-changing design of the TruStop is the ball valve that sits at the top of the stop, as well as the back check that sits on the side of the flush valve versus the supply side. To shut off the water, simply take the hydrant key, which is sold separately, insert it into the back of the stop, and make a quarter turn. The TruStop is vandal resistant, and the ball valve lasts for decades, resulting in lower maintenance costs. The back check is sold as a part of the unit, but for repair also sold separately. This helps prevent the water from moving in the wrong direction. Here at Equiparts, we've been supplying Delany products for over decades. If you have any questions, feel free to call into our office or visit our website at equiparts.com.